This is Tailor Made, a pattern carpet made for the busiest homes. Tailor Made carpet from Empire today is stain resistant, pet friendly, and incredibly soft. First, let's talk about stain resistance. Tailor Made is so easy to clean thanks to Scotch Guard Protector by 3M, which helps keep spills from seeping into the carpet. Next, carpet and pets can coexist. Tailor Made has pet urine protection, which helps protect carpet fibers from pet urine stains. Finally, Tailor Made is incredibly soft, as carpet should be. Walking on Tailor Made feels truly exceptional. This carpet works really well in virtually any room. And let's face it, comfort is the main reason you are shopping for carpet, isn't it? Don't take what goes under your feet for granted. Carpet should be resistant to stains, pet friendly, and above all, soft. Tailor Made has all three. See Tailor Made in person when you schedule your free in-home estimate.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.